reveals how brutally Swati Maliwal was assaulted inside the Chief Minister's residence. As far as the probe is concerned, well, we have some visuals coming in of Arvind Kejriwal. We have visuals of Arvind Kejriwal. These are the live visuals of the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal.
मुंबई एयरपोर्ट पर अरविंद केजरीवाल पहुंचे हुए हैं, उनके समर्थक पहुंचे हुए हैं। लेकिन तस्वीरें देखिए किस तरह से अरविंद केजरीवाल का स्वागत किया जा रहा है। लेकिन सवाल सबसे बड़ा है कि किस तरह से, जिस तरह से स्वाति माल
Well, the assault gate heat continues to mount on Arvind Kejriwal. These are the visuals of the Delhi Chief Minister. There you can see the Delhi Chief Minister has arrived at the Mumbai airport. These are the live visuals of the Delhi Chief Minister, even as the assault gate heat continues to mount on him. The Delhi Chief Minister is in Mumbai. These are the live visuals that we're tracking at the moment.
सवाल
with
जिस तरह
Kejriwal is
से
Sanjay.
जिस तरह स्वाति मालिवाल के साथ जिस तरह स्वाति मालिवाल के साथ जिस घटना हुआ, जैसा मारपीट किया गया, हम अरविंद केजरीवाल से सवाल पूछेंगे। अरविंद केजरीवाल से सवाल पूछेंगे कि आखिर अरविंद केजरीवाल निकल रहे हैं मुंबई एयरपोर्ट से और तस्वीरें देखिए जिस तरह से छोटी सी भाई अरविंद केजरीवाल सवाल से पत्ते नजर आए और तस्वीरें देखिए। अरविंद केजरीवाल जा रहे हैं मुंबई के पवन हंस के पास, यादव मंडी जाएंगे। लेकिन हमसे सवाल पूछा, लेकिन सवाल का जवाब नहीं दिया अरविंद केजरीवाल ने। गाड़ी बुला रहा हूँ।
Well, those were the visuals of Arvind Kejriwal arriving at Mumbai airport, and in fact Republic TV tried to confront him and question him about the assault gate, but without answering, without breaking his silence, Arvind Kejriwal just went away from the airport. Shaban, what do you make of this development?
Right now, Arvind Kejriwal has just landed at Kalina airport, and from here he is heading towards Bhiwandi. Remember, all through, he hasn't spoken a word about women parliamentarian Swati Maliwal. Earlier in the day in Amritsar, in a closed-door meeting when questions were basically asked about Swati Maliwal, he was completely mum. Today, you have a rally that is going to be held in Bandra Kurla complex in Mumbai around 5 o'clock in the evening, and you have the India Alliance members all present on the stage with Arvind Kejriwal, sending out a message that it really does not matter to them when a woman parliamentarian has been assaulted inside the Chief Minister's residence. Now you have the India Alliance members coming together in support of Arvind Kejriwal, and that is the reason why, remember, no one has really distanced themselves. They are going to have a mega rally in Mumbai around 5 o'clock this evening. That's happening. In a short while from now, Arvind Kejriwal is going to head towards Bhiwandi, where he's going to have a rally. There where you wouldn't have the other India Alliance members, but a meeting is also going to take place with Uddhav Thackeray before the rally begins. That would be in Matoshri. But remember, this comes at a time when the India Alliance has been talking about women's safety. Is this the alternative that the India Alliance is really talking about? Because here you have a situation where a woman parliamentarian is assaulted inside the Chief Minister's residence in the presence of a Chief Minister. No action was actually taken. So much so, the personal assistant of Arvind Kejriwal was actually seen with him just a few hours after the alleged physical assault took place.
जिस तरह से स्वाति मालीवाल के साथ जिस घटना हुआ, जैसा मारपीट किया गया, हम अरविंद केजरीवाल से सवाल पूछेंगे। अरविंद केजरीवाल से सवाल पूछेंगे कि आखिर अरविंद केजरीवाल निकल रहे हैं मुंबई एयरपोर्ट से और तस्वीरें देखिए जिस तरह से छोटी सी भाई अरविंद केजरीवाल सवाल से पत्ते नजर आए और तस्वीरें देखिए। अरविंद केजरीवाल जा रहे हैं मुंबई के पवन हंस के पास यादव मंडी जाएंगे, लेकिन हमसे सवाल पूछा, लेकिन सवाल का जवाब नहीं दिया अरविंद केजरीवाल ने।
Well, those were the visuals of Republic TV trying to confront Arvind Kejriwal and trying to get an answer from him about the entire Assaultgate allegations that have been made by Swati Maliwal. These are the visuals of Republic TV trying to confront the Delhi Chief Minister, but so far the Delhi Chief Minister continues to remain silent. In fact, today Swati Maliwal had also penned a tweet saying that the political hitman continues to shield himself, continues to protect himself. Shravan, what do you make of that tweet?
Well, in fact, so far, when the Chief Minister is protecting Bibhav by not taking an action, it is a clear message of where the Chief Minister stands. Now, another attempt was made by Republic TV to reach out to Arvind Kejriwal, but once again, no answer from him as to when exactly will the action be taken. And more importantly, when you've had his right-hand man, Sanjay Singh, saying that such an incident took place, then why is it that they were silent all this while? Was there an attempt that was made to intimidate Swati Maliwal? Because if you see what has happened from that particular FIR, it is very clear that Bibhav, after realizing that the call was made to 112, did actually try and threaten Swati Maliwal, especially if you go simply by the FIR. Today, the bigger question is that at a time when India Alliance is talking about women's safety, is this the example of women's safety that they are talking about? Because all this while, not a single word has really come in from the other India Alliance members seeking accountability, seeking justice for Swati Maliwal.
Well, Shravan, earlier during the day as well, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman spoke about how the internal workings of the Aam Aadmi Party happen. And she also mentioned about the past incidents as well.